Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing luckyforcewatches.com. But before we get into the review, a lot of you have been messaging me, and since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description for the link, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here, we have it opened up here on the website. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a website that sells watches for cheaper. So as you can see, they clearly imitate high-end watches like Rolex and Patek Philippe's. So as you can see, it is very cheap for only 4,700 pesos, which is roughly equivalent to about $100 per watch, or 80, 90, $100. So if you're wondering if this watch is legit or this site is legit, we have it opened up here also on Trustpilot, and see that they're rated 4.2 out of 5 stars with 219 reviews. And let's get into the review right here. So quick and easy communication. The watches are great. The watches are beautiful, great quality, really good watches. Dropship Chinese watches, which is to be expected since they are very cheap. And if you're looking to get legit watches, guys, I would advise you not to buy from them. However, if you want to get watches for cheaper, this is a good site to get it from. However, please do not expect really high quality ones since they are very obviously fake and not real branded and legit watches. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.